Alright, YouTube, what's up? We're back. This is day 2 of MotoGP. Unfortunately, not really day 2, but day 1, but day 2 of me being in Texas. It's 12:58. It started at 8 this morning, but there was just some hiccups getting my tickets transferred to me due to like websites being down and just like the system's just having trouble. So we are just a little late to the event, but it's cool. We're going to make the most of today. Today was kind of a chill day for me anyway in terms of like what I wanted to record. I just want to experience it. But this is the outfit and the setup. I got the GoPro on the chest just to kind of capture like more of a POV thing. Ray-Bans, I got Mr. Jolly merch on. It's the Slowest S1K hoodie. I'll put that link in the bio. Blue Nikes to kind of match the, match the S1K. Match the S1K. So that's that. I'm wearing the double R hat that I got out in Nashville. And I'm probably going to buy a new hat. I want to get a Ducati hat at least because I have Ducati tickets. But we're about to get in my Uber and head out that way. So I'll see you guys at the event. And yeah. Yeah, this guy, he just pulled in to the same hotel I'm staying at. And oh my God. I'm right here, boss. I'm coming.
Okay.
It is so clean. Look at it. Look at, oh my God. Carbon wheels. Clear cuts covered. It's the V4S. Alright, I gotta get to the event, but I just wanted to show y'all this really quick because it is nice. Alright, yeah. Alright, YouTube, really quick. So I haven't actually got to like where my ticket is at yet, but I'm about to just walk around and show you guys some stuff because I got entrance, but I don't have like the Ducati package ticket to go to like the padlock and like the extra experience of like the Ducati Island. I'm waiting for Lance to get here with the Ducati Island and the padlock lanyards because he couldn't transfer obviously physical tickets. I'm walking down a hill right now, so like I'm jumping, but we're about to walk around. I'm gonna get over back to the Ducati. So I felt like that lady when I was explaining to her like, oh, I got these tickets transferred, blah blah blah, and I was showing her I paid for the paddock, I paid for the island ticket, whatever. She was acting like I was poor. If it felt like I had the wrong ticket. No ma'am, I bought the Ducati ticket, but it also said Ducati package on it, so I don't understand why she didn't scan it, because then she probably could have told. But anyways, regardless, we're about to walk around and check some stuff out. Alright y'all, really quick, I'm in the Ducati parking section, so we're about to walk around and look at all the different bikes. You can see them behind me, so we're about to review and check them all out. So here we go. Let me get into this, like the start of it all. So hold on, flip the camera and look at these. Look at all these Ducatis, man. It makes you want one so bad. The Ducati Look at this one. Ooh, 4R. Ooh, look at all the carbon. This thing is clean. Matte carbon levers. Oh, this thing is nice. Woo. That's rich, y'all. Oh my God, I didn't even notice the carbon wheels. Oh my God. Oh my God. BSTs. Yes, that is crazy. Oh my God, I'm about to have to show you. This is one SP2, not SP2, but SP V4. Make the naked. Woo! This is crazy. Another Panigale R. I seen one of these last night at the event. It's clean. V4 Street Fighter. Look at this. This gray goes so hard. This is my favorite one out here so far. Y'all, I'm getting for the Instagram. That has to be my favorite one for sure. That and the Ducati SPs. Here's another one, Panigale SP2. Where's this SP2? This one is nice. This and that gray one is crazy. Oh, the new Desert X. I'm gonna loop back around on that side so I can get those. I don't want to be. I'm trying not to walk in between the bikes. Black Street Fighter. These look so mean to me. Like they look so good, so good. Older bikes. Come on, Monstrada V4S. Another Panigale. Oh, this is the single. This is the SP, not the SP2. So look, slight review. SP regular. The first one, which you don't even see that many of these. I've probably only ever seen like 2 or 3 of them. But oh, it's nice. And then this one that we just passed over here, go back to it. This is the SP2. I'm gonna be honest, I'd have to Google the difference because I'm not 100% sure on what the actual difference is. But they are nice. Look at this gray 848. That's nice. Ooh, bunch of V2s. Here we go. Okay, you could have backed this one. V4R. This is just clean. Woo! Panigale V4, V2. The Desert. This is the Desert X. These look. This go hard in person, looking. That's cool. Another V4R. This go hard. Oh, 1299. Oh my god, it's a super leger. Just casually parked out here, $60,000, $70,000 bike, y'all. Just casually parked over here. Texas doing it. Street Fighter. Ooh, look at that exhaust. Look at that. Ooh. This is nice. Just casually over here. It's nice. Alright, y'all. Oh, there's a couple over here. Let's look at these. When them bikes come flying by, it's so loud. Y'all want that view? That's a bet. Real quick, y'all, look at this. This thing is sick. Oh, this thing is so sick. I just posted it on my story as well. Oh, it's so sick. Woo.
don't think this one I don't think I'm dying on. Right? Y'all got good insurance, right? He said, I don't know about that.
No, don't say that. You're getting me nervous.
Wow, you don't need to use it. You'll be alright.
How fast does it go?
It goes up to, I think it was 24 at the max.
Oh.
Yeah, it smells so good.
We've seen it already.
Sí, pero de todos modos,
Somebody coming
¿qué
down
tal que no me gusta?
30 miles an hour. And it's really the front tire.
Yeah, make sure my shit tight.
Walking all the way to the winner, all the way
Okay.
to the front tire.
Both? Oh my god.
Just, it's amazing.
We're good, we're good. I'm not gonna yell for your video.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Oh, it does pick up. It'll be okay. Put your back. Lean back. I regret it too. We'll be okay. I'm sure he's gonna pick up. Oh, it's not that bad, guys. Woo! It's not bad. That was good. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. It definitely didn't feel like 24 though. I'll definitely be doing this hopefully tomorrow too. I'm gonna try and get in here and do it tomorrow. We'll see. Hold on. See if I can take a closer look. Cause it's fire. That's all it's equal. So are you cheating? I'm just kidding. Alright. Do it in real life. Get off the game. I'm just kidding. Bunch of art. I don't know if this is RSC4 just... I don't know. Everyone's kind of shutting down that booth, so I'm not trying to go visit, but tomorrow I'll be here super early, so I'll be able to get it. It's official. I got the wristband that I need to get into the paddock, and like, basically the rest of my ticket, basically, that's really what it was. But he couldn't transfer this part of the ticket for some reason, the app, or wouldn't let him, or whatever the case may be. So my regular, just entry ticket wasn't coming up as a Ducati Island ticket. So, that's why it was like, I was just chilling basically. We're about to walk around, go into the paddock, check it out. I'm about to get some food because I'm starving right now. So that's that, but I'll see you guys soon. Alright, this is the pad. Oops. They're working on the bike. Alright, this is the paddock. Because why not? Honda. On bike. This is the paddock lounge. I'm about to walk all of this and then come back into the lounge. Because one island country. But also want to chill out. I might come back again. definitely could use fucking whiskers in my shit right now, though. For sure. I feel like that lady was trying to say that, I don't know, very much felt like she thought I was trying to scam my way into the, I think that was a VIP. Yeah, that's all VIP. Which I'm definitely going to get VIP next time, to be honest. America Racing. That's cool. ATM. OnlyFans. This is lit. I like this. Way busier. I think this is about to come to an end, but I also need to find my seats for tomorrow. Picking racing. Some of this smells super good. Blocking my door, I'm tripping. Like it's looking kind of borders. I want to get in line. Oh, this is where they come out at. Sneak peek. Ooh, there's some shade. Ooh, big tires. You can't even see it on the lens. Can you? No, you can't, but all Ducatis. Sick. What is this? Oh, so it's just a calf. Let's go in here, 'cause I'm hungry. Alright, y'all, hold on, I'll be back. I had to pull out the camera real quick because there's so much that's like I not necessarily missed, but I just gotta, tomorrow I'm gonna get here. I'll be here early, so I'll be able to explore a lot more of this tomorrow and actually look at it. But I wanted to just capture these bikes on day 2 really quick because I'm probably about to bounce. I got like Revzilla, all types of different stuff. But I was over on like way over there on the Ducati side. They got this thing on the motherfucking water. But I'm gonna look at these cars too. They're fire, but that's probably about to be it. I probably won't be doing too much more recording. My feet are killing me. I got here like basically 2, and I didn't even have my ticket or like the pass for the paddock until like damn near 3. So I'm gonna kind of probably mash this up with the next day and just capture more of the actual stuff. But here's some of the cars they got out here too.
This is the M3, M4, these are the same cars.
M4 competition, M3 competition. There's better not be an M2 competition. No, another M4. And then M3. Oh, they got quad lock. KYT. So they have so much more stuff out here that I just missed. Look at this interior.
That's a cool interior.
Oh my god. Yeah. This would be a must. Did I just find the car I'm gonna get? Yep, M3 competition. This green is nice. Brown interior. Here's a gray or black interior. Black interior. With hints of gray. The blue's nice. Woo! Alpine Star. I should definitely check out the Alpine Star before I leave today. I think it's a must for this video, to be honest.
I might end up buying a quad lock right now.
Oh my god, I think they got the Ducati one. Now my bike's not red, but like, if I get the Ducati, definitely got to spend some time right here because they got stores, not stores, but like tent sets over there, more stuff up there. But look at all this. They have. This one looks like it was one of the ones he crashed in. That was lit.
So
The new R10s. How you doing, boss?
How's it going?
Good. This is the one I got. So nice. Favorite helmet.
Yeah,
I might have to get a second one.
I have one too. It's awesome.
It's been so dark in here. Oh, damn. Suzuki. Monster. This is the new R10 that he uses. So cool. Saw that last night at the party. Nothing on sure. Alright, y'all. Yeah, he's getting it on that little thing. Alright. I gotta go. I need to go back this way. I don't want to walk all the way back the way I just came from, but I have no choice, so. Like, so that's probably it. Tomorrow I'm gonna, I guess, try and, I don't know. We'll see. But I'm gonna do a lot more exploring, check out a lot more of these booths, whole bunch of different stuff. So I'll catch you guys on the other side. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys on the other side. I'm about to just basically probably just Uber back to my hotel. But I didn't even come over here today. So there's a lot more to actually look at and do. So we're gonna do all that tomorrow. I was just trying to get on my tickets and get here and then get something done. So I'll see you guys.